about it at one time. We both responded. That was my favorite Bible verse. I can take this on plate. I like that.
Judges are judging, sweat is pouring. Are you one of the advisors? Yeah.
Yeah.
From Ozarka College.
Yep.
It's a very impressive competition.